Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll work with scene management. That means how to add scenes and how to manage the scenes in our game. If you've not seen before videos, the link was available in description. You can find all the tutorials, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we designed entire level, right? So I think it's like a clear and nice, like a game, like real game, right? So in these tutorial we'll work with like scene management. We will work with some scenarios that if my timer is like 0, I'll get like a game over scene. So I'll create different scenes like game over scene. So now we'll work with scenes further. Just I'll want to create a new scene, just make this one as a control s, then your scene was saved. Now just go to scenes folder and we are in sample scene, right? So how to create a new scene? So just you can see here, just go to file and create a new scene. Automatically we are in new scene, right? So you can see here we are in new scene. Now my task is, if I completed, if my time is over, I'll get like a new scene which is like game over. So I want to do that. So just you can see here how can we do that. So if you want to keep like game over, we need to drag a some photos which was there in our scene, which was there, like if you want like game over, just drag here and keep into uh, go to assets and go to whatever it may be, just go to. So in enemies I kept this folder, just drag here and keep. So you can see, yes. So if my time is over like after 10 seconds, like I'll get like a mail, you should get like a game over. So you can change like background. So here for that I need to create a canvas, that means UI, go to UI. So create a text. If you want text, just create a text mesh pro. I want to use text mesh pro. So you can see the text mesh pro which was using. So just make this one as a control shift alt shift and make this one as middle. You can see the middle. So just make this one as a game over scene. So we are working in scene, right? So game over scene. So just increase the size, then you can see. So and also increase here. So the size, font size should be 50. Just make this one as middle. Game over. So just you can see here. So game over. This is the way to do. And just I added. Now if my time is, my timer, just go to just control s and save to save this scene here in scenes folder. Make it as game over scene. So make it as game over scene. Now my time is up, then I'll get like a game over scene. So for that what I have to do is, we are having like a simple trick which was having here, that is, just open the timer script. Yes, if your time is like current less than or equal to 0, so in that time you will get like a scene game over scene. For that we need to add scene management. First of all, just add, don't forget to add package, that is using unity engine dot scene management. You can see here dot scene management. Just control s and go here. Now you can work here, that is scene management. That is, if your time is over, automatically you have to load scene, right? So scene dot load scene equal to, so you can see, so scene dot, so load scene, so scene dot load scene equal to, sorry, scene manager dot, so just make it as scene manager dot load scene. So you have to give the scene name. So you can see the scene name is game over, right? Same should be there. So just make this one as game over. So same should be there. Just control S and just control S and go here and test the game which was there. So yes, now we are added into scene, right? Just try that scene. Just go to scenes and just play the button. Of course, after the time is over, automatically your game should stop, right? Yes, and you are getting that error after 0 that we couldn't add the scene in build settings. Just go to build settings, that is Control Shift B. So here we need to add the game over scene. First of all, we need to add this sample scene, and after that is game over scene. And just close here now. Just play the button, and you can see how it was working. So you can see you'll get game over. Yes, of course we are getting that game over scene. So for if you lose hearts also you need to get game over, right? So just go here and just, if you lose all the hearts you should get like game over. So where we have written, I think we have written in health manager, right? So just go to hearts, just go to scripts and go to health manager. So instead of getting this one timescale dot, just make this one this load scene, just control S, and we need to add here, don't forget to add this using unity engine dot scene management, then only it will work. So you can observe now no error, just control S and now work with that. If you lose all hearts, just stop this one. Yes, now you can work with that and no need to add now, already we added the game over scene, right? So if I lose just one heart, I lose it, you can see. So of course 3 hearts. Did you observe that if I lose this I'm getting like a game over scene. So just stop, and so this is the way to create scene manager, and this is the way to manage the scenes into your game. So we'll work with more, and I'll come with another video that how to create a menu scene. So like a play again and quit the game, how to quit the game. So we'll work with more with menu also. So that's all for this video.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share.